Hi girls. So today is Wednesday. I just came from the post office getting my box from Bountiful Babies. I'm still missing one package. It's supposed to be getting here, I think by Friday. I think it is another package. I already received my daughter's 2 boxes. I did a video and I haven't even posted the video yet. So yeah, this is my kits from Bountiful Babies. So I got, I'm gonna tell you, I got Realborn, Jenny Asleep, 19-inch Reborn Doll Kid. That was, yeah. And then Realborn Elizabeth Awake. She's a twin. She's 20 inches, the kid. And then I got Realborn 7-month June Awake, 25 inches. And then I have 2 bodies, 19 and 20 inch. And then I have a premium body. And then I got a 24 baby green Bountiful Baby eyes. The total was 180, girls. So here we go. I'm so excited. You know what? I'm saving these papers because when you pack, you can use these papers. Okay, so I have, oh my God, I like this body better than the brown one. So I have 2 bodies and 3 bodies. I have the 25 inch, the 19 inch, and 19 or 20 inch. Let's see the Elizabeth Awake. Oh my God. Oh, she is so pretty. Look at her. She got open eyes. She's very pretty. I like her toes. Look at her little toes. And, oh, I like it because I like babies with open hands. I don't really like them with closed fists. So look at the little hands. It's so stinking cute. I like her. She's 20 inch. So I guess I'm gonna be painting her when I come back because I'm leaving Sunday to the States with my kids, with my daughters. So I don't even know. I think I'm coming back at the end of April, probably beginning of May, or I don't know if I'll probably do Mother's Day over there with my kids and then come back. So let me do Jenny Asleep. She's so cute. This is, yep, Jenny Asleep, 19 inch. She is so cute. Look at her mouth. Look at her mouth. She's so cute. I like her. Yeah. Look at her limbs, her legs. Oh, she got the little, she rolled her little toes down. Look, her, yeah. That's how you call them, like she roll them down. Look at how cute her little legs. She's chunky. Not that chunky, but she's a little bit. Oh, she has closed fists. She's so cute. Look at her hands. They're so cute. So yeah, I have these. So like I was saying, yeah, I'm going to the States. I'm gonna be over there with my kids, and then in June, I think in June, I'm going back again because my grandbaby, the twins, my twins' grandbaby, they're going to graduate from 8th grade. So I'm going for their graduation. Yes, I am. And then I'm going back again like at the half of August, because my daughter's giving birth in September and she wants me to be there with her in delivery room. So she's having the baby, I think September 5th. So she wants me to go. This is her second baby. So I think I'm going like in the middle of August. I'm going over there to be with her at delivery room and, you know, be with her for a couple of weeks and then come back home. And yeah, so I will be busy. I'm so happy. Okay, girls. So here is the, what do you call them? The certificate, the CODs is what you call them. This is the one for Jenny. This is Elizabeth Awake. You see how pretty she is? She's so cute. Look at Jenny. Jenny's so cute. And then this is my June Awake. My 7-month June Awake. She's so cute. So yeah. So here they go. I'm excited. I would like to start painting, but no, because I want to really concentrate. This baby is huge. Oh my God, girls. Look at this. Oh my goodness, she's a big baby. She's a chunky monkey baby. Look at this head. Wow. Mira esto. This baby is huge. What the? She's bigger than Sophie. Look at her chunky legs. I can't. Look at these chunky legs, girls. Look at this. I can't. What am? Oh my God. Look at this. And it's heavy. What the H? And look at her. Oh my God, her hands. She's like really. What the H? She's huge, guys. Oh my God, all that clothes that I brought is gonna fit her. And then I got her eyes. Yeah, she's gonna have some cute eyes. I got her these. I got her these eyes. They're cute. Wow, she's a big freaking baby. Look at them, how cute. Her eyes is gonna be really cute. So yeah, girls, so like I was saying, so I'm gonna go see my daughter. I'm gonna go see all my kids. So yeah, I'm going to see my kids. I'm gonna be over there. And then when I come back, I'm gonna start working so I could get ready for another fair. And yeah, that's about it. So girls, I did not went shopping on Monday. I didn't buy nothing because like I'm gonna go traveling. Well, not traveling, I'm gonna go out the state. I'd rather just take my money and see what I could find out there. And yeah, and that's about it. So this is really short. This is just a short video to show you the babies. And I don't know if I got to see Logan. I had just Logan up. Well, I dressed up my little man with the little more what you call it? Look how cute. He looks so stinking cute. So I got him dressed. Then I got Logan dressed with his little Mickey Mouse outfit. My Logan. Then I got Bella's over here with her little bow, her little outfit, her little purple bow. Oh my God, she's really sleepy. And then I got my Levi here. He's so stinking cute. And then I have my June asleep. Look at her. Oh, she's heavy. Look at her, guys. She's so stinking cute. I can't with her. Yeah, I gotta show her because she is so pretty. She came out so pretty. Look at her, guys. Is she pretty? Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at mommy. Look where I'm at. And yeah, I'm gonna thank you, kiddo. You're beautiful. And then I got the other one. She's over there on the other side. Let me show you guys really quick. She still got the same outfit, I think, from the fair. Here she goes. This is Madison Awake. You see how pretty she looks with her outfit? Yeah, she's in her chair, her sitting chair over here. So yeah, guys, so that's gonna be on my video for now. I guess I'll talk to you guys on my next video, or if I don't do a video this by the end of the week when I get my other box, I guess I'll do a video when I go to the States over there. You know, I still do hauls and stuff over there, and I'll just keep you guys on, you know, updated. So this is gonna be all for now. Everybody have a blessed day. Always remember to have God prayed, and always have God before anything, and you know, and this is what it is. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.